Moving on to the second rinse of the triple rinse, as stated before, we start with a boom cleanout procedure, which has already been covered. Next, repeat the tank rinse procedure as explained before. Though not stated, tank cleaner or a neutralizer can be used at any point in time during these steps. As part of the second rinse, the rinse plumbing procedure will be used. This process rinses the recirculation plumbing, and the rinsate will return to the tank. Start by selecting Rinse Plumbing. In the empty box, select the source where the fresh water should come from. For this example, we'll select the product tank. Press the check mark to start the rinse. This will start and run the pump. When sufficient time has passed, press the check mark to end the rinse plumbing procedure. As with the end of the first rinse, proceed to rinse out nozzles. Note that every time the boom is emptied of product, it reduces the concentration of the chemical in the booms, reducing the risk for the operator.